ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kesorkar Jilla Kalaptha ya ke National Highway Authority of India banjurip no mardor hadin bakala sedang pau ki dak orpat haga jingking Sonapur kabadan hawa lukha ha East Gentia Hills District. Usembut Menteri Rambah jong ke Jilla uba pet ya katanat PWD Roads uba Preston Tensong haka santarik ubenai kelalingkot arajar arpuar haba keren cikilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ke jingelang bat ki hair officer ke National Highway Authority of India uliyatho baka sorkar kalap tha ya gani ka snat trekam ka bapet ya ke jingshna surok hakeleng keri India man sorjamin no mardor ya gani ka jingking khnang man yada ne ki jing mensau ki bala banjia haka no gono kopor ka bampoi perkhan Hagani ka jingelang lawan banya shimpenta do project director jong ke NHAI bat ki officer na katanat PWD Roads banya theria tai sani bha halor ka jingsdang shong sunjor jong ka jingking hakashnong Sonapur.
With the project director of Nahai and along with my team from state PWD is relating to the the condition of that bridge, Sonapur Bridge, which it seems again a sign of crack happened. So today the expert from Delhi, they just switched, and today they are on the way to Sonapur. They need to get all the detailed examination technically, and again not only that, the recommendation how to go about it. And right now the district administration of East Gentia Hills, they have already issued some restriction where the permissible limit of those commercial vehicle from or going outside Meghalaya needs to be at least adhered to. In fact, right now, Government of India, Ministry of Road Transport has already handed over this project from that flyover of Umyam up to the border of Assam. The intention is to convert the double lane road to 4 lane. So now it is the job of NHIGCL to go for the survey. The detailed DPR has to be prepared by them. It was the span is quite big. In fact, it's almost touching to 100 meter span. I think you must have seen it also. It's quite it's quite long, really. And the year of construction of this bridge, I did not remember much, because that time this bridge was constructed by PRO. It was constructed by PRO. So now I've asked the project director of Nahai to collect all the details information as well as to take immediate necessary action accordingly. It will happen like that. God forbid, I think nothing will happen.